Hello.
All right, this is Tylan and
Kylan.
And today we are going to do the National Geographic Instant Snow Stem Kit. As you can see, we have the Instant Snow Stem Kit right here in front of us. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm excited to do this, man. Are you excited?
Freaking excited!
Mm-hmm.
First things first, we're gonna give him a high five for that. High five. Ah, good job. We gotta open up this science kit and we gotta see what's all in it.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So we're gonna make snow today.
Snow! Yippee!
We about to make some snow.
Some.
Ooh.
So this is probably our snow.
That's the snow, it looks like.
Okay.
All right, so the things that this comes with is, it comes with your little water beaker. It comes with your dipping spoon to dip out the stuff from the beaker. And then it comes with your instant snow mix. So right now, we are going to read the instructions as to how you make this instant snow. All right, first things first, you gotta measure out 1 scoop of instant snow and spread it evenly in a large bowl. Do we got a large bowl right here?
We used to.
I mean right here. No, so what do we gotta do? Get a large bowl. All right, I'll get it, stay right here, we're gonna get a large bowl. All right, I'm back and we got our large bowl. Measure out 1 scoop of instant snow. Spread it evenly in a large bowl.
Okay. Ooh, let me feel.
All right,
Feels
be
good.
careful, 1 scoop, press it in, turn it up. Hey, be careful with your hands, steady, slow and steady. All right, now it says spread it all the way around evenly, okay? There you go. There you go. There we go. We almost got it, all right? All right, now let's read what the next step says. Fill the beaker to the 30 ml line with water. And we gotta go to the 50 ml sign. So show me where that 50 ml sign is. Look at the beaker and show me where it says 50 ml. You know how to read numbers, right?
Oh, right here.
There you go.
There you go.
Dump. Okay, that's not it. Okay, fill the beaker to 30 ml line with water. Oh, we supposed to fill it to 30. Boom, 30 mLs. Now it says, pour the water over the powder. Snow will begin to form instantly.
Wow.
This should result in about 1/2 cup or 120 ml of snow. Repeat these steps for more snow. I want you to pour it in a small little circle on top of the snow, okay? Don't do it all at once, try to spread it around.
Like that?
Yep.
Oh, no way.
Wow.
Okay, let's make a little
All right,
bit
you see
more.
it forming?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Is it getting any bigger?
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone?
It said if you want to make more, it'll grow bigger.
Okay, hold on, wait. Do you want to feel it to see if it's cold like snow?
Mm-hmm.
All right, feel it.
Ooh, it's fluffy.
Is it cold though?
No.
No.
You feel.
All right, I'll feel.
It's fluffy.
Wow, it is very fluffy. All right, so we coming back to you after we have just made our first batch of instant snow with the National Geographic Instant Snow Maker. And I'm gonna show you inside of the bowl, watch out for a second. I'm gonna show you inside of the bowl how our snow looks. Ooh. And we made this by just using a teeny bit of the snow mix that we have. So I can only imagine how much more snow we can make. All right, we about to do our next trick, growing snow out of your hand. All right, we're gonna use Kylan's hand, okay?
Yes. Yes.
All right, put your hand down like a little cup, like a cup. All right, all right. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna use. Put some water into the beaker. All right, I'm gonna pour just a tad bit of our water in the beaker. I want you to tell me how it feels when the water, when it's growing in your hand, okay?
Okay.
I'm only gonna pour a little bit.
Ooh, it feels a little bit hot.
It feel hot?
Yeah, it feels a little bit hot when it grows in your hand.
All right, hold on. Let's try it some more. See if it grows some more. Whoa!
And then when it grows more, it gets a little bit colder.
Wow. All right, we're gonna try to do some more.
It gets colder and colder.
Whoa.
That's it?
I'm just trying to see how big it can get in your hand. It's alive. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Wow.
It feels like I'm holding like a pillow.
All right, it looked like it stopped now. I'm gonna tell you why.
Why?
You see, before it kept on growing and it kept on getting wider. It don't look like it's getting wider anymore.
It feels like a little bit like slime.
It feels like Jello, don't it?
Yeah, it feels like Jello. Let's try to grow it in Dad's hand.
All right, let's put the rest in here.
Here you go.
All right, clean your hands off good.
That was cool.
That was cool.
Okay, now it's my turn to do it.
All right, now it's his turn. I'm gonna go ahead and fill the beaker up with just a little bit of water now. All right, I'm gonna be growing snow in my hand. All right, that's it. That looks good. Pour it in. Oh, it's so cold.
I told you it's getting colder and colder.
I got snow in my hand.
Now let me put the water in.
All right, not too much. You can't put too much water.
It's cold, right?
Whoa. Look at it, this is growing.
Let me feel it. Feels cool.
Wow, and you see, look, you can tell when it's still growing because it stays really white. You feel me? So before, when I was looking at it when I was doing your hand, it had started turning gray.
Why is it turning gray?
Because it wasn't growing anymore, it was done. All right, so I'm gonna dump this into here. All right, and just for the time being, we're gonna go ahead and put this cap back on this thing because we don't wanna drop all this stuff.
Now we done?
All right, so let's